Hey guys, over here for our food and eating in Japan playlist. Some of you might remember a story we did a while ago about Sukiya and a rather unfortunate event they had where a customer found a rat in their dinner. And as a result of that, Sukiya announced that they were going to change a lot of their stores from being 24 hours a day to being 23 hours a day or less, so they'd have time every day to do a proper clean. The other thing that they said they would do is they would renovate the stores to make them easier to clean and more rat proof, I'm assuming. So this is our local Sukiya that we actually quite like, and they've just started renovating it inside and out. So it's probably part of that store by store thing that they've been doing. I will add too that we never stopped eating Sukiya. We quite like it. We do trust them, despite that one unfortunate rat incident. We never stopped eating Sukiya. It's really yummy stuff. So we still go there. More videos coming soon.